What's up, everybody? Another day, another dollar. Today is Tuesday, May 19, and these are the top 5 things to know today on Wall Street. Kicking things off with number 1. Headlines regarding progress on the medical front will be in focus today as investors start pricing in a faster than expected economic recovery amid optimism over a potential COVID-19 vaccine. Moderna said Monday that clinical results suggestion its coronavirus vaccine has a high probability of providing protection against the disease. Experts believe that a safe and effective vaccine could take around 12 to 18 months to deliver. Besides Moderna, there are a few other names which are making great strides in delivering a vaccine. I'll highlight a few of them in my latest post for Investing.com. Check it out tomorrow morning. On to number 2. Stocks on Wall Street are set for a choppy session. One day after markets scored their biggest one-day gain in about 6 weeks. After swinging wildly between gains and losses in overnight trade, futures on the Dow Jones Industrial Average are currently pointing to a flat open more or less. S&P 500 and NASDAQ futures are also pointing to a flat start. This comes one day after the Dow soared almost 1,000 points following the release of the positive Moderna news. On to number 3. In a big day for earnings, Walmart showed why it is one of the biggest winners of the coronavirus pandemic after it delivered blowout Q1 results. The company's first quarter same-store sales jumped 10% in the first 3 months of the year, its best performance in 18 years. E-commerce sales, get this, surged 74% in the U.S. as the coronavirus lockdown pretty much forced shoppers to move online. Also reporting this morning, Home Depot sales jumped 7% in the first quarter. However, higher coronavirus-related costs dragged down earnings. Home Depot shares are trading down about 3% in early trade. Other retail heavyweights reporting results today are struggling department store retail chain Kohl's as well as Urban Outfitters. On to number 4, investors' focus will also be on Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell as he heads to, or rather instead of heading to Senate, he will appear virtually in front of the Senate Banking Committee along with Secretary Treasury Steve Mnuchin. The two are expected to provide updates on the recent the government's multi-trillion-dollar lending efforts, which have helped the economy sort of bounce back from the coronavirus crisis. Powell is expected to reiterate that the Fed has all tools available to fight the crisis and that rates are expected to remain at current levels for the time being. And on to number 5, on the economic calendar, we get housing data at 8:30 a.m. this morning, which could show that the real estate market suffered a severe slowdown in April. Housing starts are expected to have plunged by 30% last month, while building permits are forecast to slump around 28%. Check out the Investing.com economic calendar for the results on that when it comes out. That's it for me for today. May the trading guys be with you. Have a good one. Stay safe and stay healthy.